Hello. Today we're gonna be Today we're gonna be talking about money and how to make it. Cause you need money to do stuff, like get food. Cause food is good.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, so.
And how do you make money?
Oh, you stream.
How do you make money from streaming?
Well, you get people to donate for you.
What if people don't donate?
Then you go sell all your food in the house and go in the cut.
I said I was getting water.
And how can you make money without getting a job?
Okay, let me show you. You go to New York, you have food. Hey, you dropped my food, I can't eat no more. Then there's the second one, it's the subway, you go on the subway. Guys, my house burned down. I just got out of rehab. And I'm an orphan, I'm gay. And then after that, you gotta do the last one. It's the, okay, Elmo Costume go. Where my hug at? Where my hug at?
Grant.
And what are some ways you can make money without getting a job?
So ways to make money without getting a job is gambling. You need to gamble all that money. What you do is roulette, mines, and blackjack. You do all that, you're gonna be making 100 grand a year.
Would you put $1 billion on red or black?
Black, don't do red. Red's bad. Black's the way to go.
Don't do gambling because it's bad and you'll lose your money. And also, I don't know what he was talking about with the New York thing, because that also loses money because you waste food. Bye.